Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.